For the first time in my life, Optimus, I had hoped that you were wrong.
Optimus, been well? I see you brought your trusty watchdog. I was certain he'd be convalescing in a scrapyard by now.
Why don't you invite him down here for a chat?
I know why you're here, Megatron. Hardly a surprise, Optimus. After all, you and I have been at this a long time, and your time has come to an end.
Megatron has desecrated the resting place of our fallen ancestors, and his own.
Not even the dead are free from his warmongering. At last, symbiosis. I can feel it. I possess complete control over my army. Destroy them!
Optimus, if our combatants are already deceased, how can we possibly defeat them?
Ratchet, retreat! Bridge yourself back to base!
No, I shall stand with you, Optimus. You may require a medic when this is over with. I recommend dissection. The smaller the pieces, the better.
Sound advice, old friend. I have mastered Dark Energon. When you fall, Optimus, you too shall join my army.
Optimus, this prolonged exposure to Dark Energon is sapping our strength.
We cannot falter now.
Optimus!
After all these years, Optimus, still at the top of your game. My Legion, finish them! Bravo, Optimus! Though this is but a prelude, you may wish to save your strength for the main event. You will not prevail, Megatron. Not while Energon still flows through my veins. Fitting, for it is dark Energon which flows through mine.
If this wasn't Megatron's endgame, what is?